This gorgeous Erie Commons 4-bedroom home has a professionally finished basement and wide-open floor plan. The kitchen features new custom hardwood floors and 42-inch cabinets. The family and dining rooms flow seamlessly into the beautiful kitchen. The huge master bedroom has a 5-piece bath and views of Long's Peak. The main floor bedroom with its own full bath is perfect for grandparents or guests. Open main floor study and convenient main floor laundry. Enjoy the huge rec room in the finished basement.